Choose an open, obstacle-free area. Long press to power on, battery level display. Upon hearing a beep and seeing flashing lights, drone is on. During the linking process, the drone's status indicator light flashes red and allow the gimbal to automatically perform a self-check. Take out and install the joystick, pull out the phone holder, and place your phone on it. Press the power button once, then hold it for 3 seconds to turn on the remote. Automatic pairing takes about 50 seconds. Select the appropriate RC cable to connect the phone. Set USB permissions for iOS and Android devices. If a lock password is set on the device, you need to enter the device password to access it. Enter the Veeniix Fly application. Click the control icon to enter the control interface. Follow the instructions to complete the compass calibration. Place the drone on a flat and level ground. The solid blue light indicates that the search is completed. You can turn off the beginner mode and set the flight parameters as needed. Push the joystick to the 5 and 7 o'clock positions to unlock the motors. Push the left joystick upwards to take off. Click on the take-off icon in the app. The left joystick adjusts the altitude and direction of the aircraft. The right joystick controls the direction of the aircraft. Press once to toggle speed mode. Long press for 3 seconds to turn off GPS mode and switch to attitude mode, indoor mode. Press to take a photo. Long press the button for 3 seconds to turn off the navigation light. Press to start recording. Press the 1 key return to home button and the drone will automatically return. Control the zoom in and out of the camera. Adjust the up and down angle of the camera.